From many of our younger generation out here, I'm sure
A few of my batchmates are also over here. Okay, so I'm starting this presentation with that it is I can is more important than your IQ. So it means it is your determination. Yes, I can do it. Okay, not it is that it is yes you are super intelligent. It's not that. So you need to bring in your mind that you patent, but didn't focus on the having the startup. Now my son is always behind me that it is to have startup. Okay, so that's what the point is. The student can directly contribute to India's innovation and make India's goal. And it is you can bring a patent culture, innovation culture. You can, if you file a patent, maybe it is any student if you can file a patent, your friends code field, but need to bring that it is this model into this simulation. Now smart material design. Okay, so this is very interesting just coming over here that it is 3D printing are coming. Okay, rockets are being developed. There are some material is required, we need a very lightweight but very high strength. Okay, so carbon fiber, maybe it is going forward it is vehicles are made will be all are carbon fiber, sports cars are there. Okay, so this material design is also required to know that it is how we are going to do it. For that also you need to simulate, identify that it is whatever force are being applied, they need to find out that it is how we can make, make this new specification of the material. Sustainability. So here it is, think about the situation that it is, just I was in the guest house, I saw that it is the Powai lake inside that. Now think about that in that area how much it is energy is there. Energy, what does it energy mean? Natural energy. Wind is there, solar is there. Okay, so water is also there. So can it be harvested? Okay, or maybe in the desert area, sandstorm. Can we harvest energy from the sandstorm? Okay, so think about that. Now autonomous transportation, vehicle to vehicle communications. So these all are again it is if you think about that vehicle is an autonomous. In our time it was there is no it is automobile in engineering by 1097. But mechanical engineering is there. Now I think there is a branch. It is autonomous something name is there. Okay, smart transportation. Now think about a wild idea. Now if you take any technology, go behind 5 years back, what was there? Now extrapolate it to next 5 years, what it can happen. Now you start, it is bring your thought that in next 5 years, this will be the situation. This is the way it will come. Now think about that LEO data center. Why I am calling LEO data center? LEO data center is basically low Earth orbit satellite. It is around 200 to 2000 kilometer altitude around the Earth from the Earth surface. Can we move the data center over there? Okay. So what will be the advantage and disadvantage? Okay. So we don't need any cooling budget over there. Free from natural calamity. We can move the data center over there. Now LEO data center can communicate with Geo data center also. Now think about that how that satellites are orbiting around the Earth. Now how you can construct that satellite constellation to transfer all your data in the ground to the upper orbit. Okay, so I have some patents on this area as well that it is data center in the LEO satellite where you can whether it is in older city or in any other city wherever you install that data center you need a cooling or Microsoft they are doing that submerged data center under the water. But the heat is generating it is getting circulating the water and sea creatures are also there. Okay, so LEO data center I have few patents in this area. So just think about bring some wild thought in this area. Not only it is data center, in anywhere that it is whatever I mentioned, not limited to this, but I have few in this area, that's what I just mentioned in this one. So you can also bring your thought in your area, whatever you think that is, you can do it. I'm mechanical engineer, but I learned some of this. So as I mentioned that engineer should be multidisciplinary thinker. Okay, so few of my patents, it is, Abhita told me that it is to mention few of my patents, but there. So that's what I'm just listing down some of the patents. Picture rendering is not that. Here, it was filed in 2017. Here, it is sound. Acoustic wave is used for 3D printing. Okay, in 2024, some of the US industry, US university, they have physically proved that one. It is highly potential. That is, acoustic wave can be used for 3D printing. So few days back, it is one of my patent got published by 3D printing industry. So this one, it is a nanoparticles transportation by smart robot or soft robot. It is a 4D printed. It can transport, it is your targeted medicine to your body as well. Okay, so that can be infused in your through injection. Okay, and it can transfer to that target medicine. At the same time, it is not only that, you can do a lot of things out of this. So you can get this article in Google search. Okay, so few of my patent is also published. Some of the international journals. It is something like say it is drone can transfer package in the flight. So what problem we are addressing? Addressing is basically drone is having a limited capability to transfer product from one place to another place. So somehow it has to land. Landing means there is a chance of some mishap can happen. Somebody can steal it. Okay, and at the same time it is you need additional time to transfer. Why not transfer in the flight? Whenever is flying on the sky, one drone to another drone, it will be transferred. So it published in Discover magazine as well. So this is another patent. It is many of you I think is from Bengali. I got inspired this invention with a Bengali song, Chokhe Chokhe Kotha Bolo. Okay, it means that it is speak with your eyes. Okay, here the thing is, you can transfer data with your eye contact from one person to another person. So they have this, journal they have also created two faces because they are transferring the data with their eyes. Okay, so thing is, as I mentioned, that it is your idea you can bring from anywhere in the world. So it is your problem, your thought, everything is in your surrounding. You just need to find it out. Keep vigilance, you will get it. Okay, so this is what I just want to share, that it is, Abhita also told that something to share. So this is, that it is this year report in AI patent. So my name is worldwide is coming at the top. Okay, so,
yes.
Thank you. So many of those are from core sector. So this is a worldwide US patent list. So many of those are core field. That field I mentioned some time back. That is what are the fields I have worked on. So these are some of those. It is 529 patents. So out of those as well, apart from core AI too, it is core sector as well. Okay. So that's what it is. I just finished. We have very limited time, only 25 minutes. I generally spend more than 1 hour generally whenever I speak. So I